Hi everyone! Today we're making what has become one of our family favorites, a Taiwanese classic dish, Rou Fan, or braised pork over rice. I'm not from Taiwan, so my version is not necessarily authentic, but I can promise that it is authentically delicious and easy to make. So let me show you how. First off, I use pork neck instead of pork belly. This cut is leaner, but it still has good marbling throughout to give the dish the richness that it needs. You'll also need boiled eggs, dark soy sauce, onions and garlic, rock sugar, red wine, Chinese cooking wine, Chinese 13 spice blend, and light soy sauce. The prep is simple. Just cut the pork into 1/4-inch cubes. And slice your onions or shallots. And let's cook. First, let's fry the onions and garlic separately. In a pot, add enough oil to half submerge all of your onions. Don't worry, we won't be using all of this oil. Fry onions over medium-high heat until they're crispy around the edges. Then add in the garlic and fry it together for a few more minutes. Then drain out all the oil and reserve the onions and garlic for later. In the same pot, add back a teaspoon of the oil that we used to fry the onions and toss in your meat. Stir fry for a few minutes on high heat to cook off some of the excess moisture. And then add in Chinese cooking wine, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, rock sugar, red wine, and the spices. Then add back in your fried onions and garlic and mix. Finally, add in about a half a liter of water, cover, and bring to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for 45 minutes covered. In the meantime, boil and peel your eggs and add in the boiled eggs after 45 minutes. Cook over high heat for another 10 minutes uncovered to reduce and thicken the sauce. Also, check for seasoning now because depending on your brand of soy sauces, you might need to add some salt to taste. After the sauce has reduced and intensified, you'll be surprised to see how much oil has come out of the meat. If that happens, simply spoon the oil out and you'll be left with all the flavor without the guilt. And by the way, that oil is gold for adding flavor to noodles or vegetables. And there you have it, an easy to make recipe that really maximizes the potential of each and every ingredient. It's savory, it's sweet, it's hearty, it's rich, and traditionally and logically, it's awesome over rice. Let that flavorful sauce coat every grain of rice, and the boiled egg has soaked up all that flavor and adds even more creaminess to each bite. Mix it together and enjoy. Make this for your family. I'm sure they'll love it. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my blog at yensfamilytable.com for the full written recipe. And I'll see you next time!